We are replacing the wheel brake on this 2020 Nissan Sentra. We're gonna remove our caliper bracket bolt. It is a 30mm. Let's take it off. I'm gonna use the pry bar to pry the caliper off the brake pad. There are two 30mm bolts that attach the caliper, the pocket brake cable to the knuckle. You're gonna remove them also. 30mm. We're gonna inspect our slider pin. Now let's remove the two caliper bolts. They are 70mm. Let's bleed them free. Good. Now let's remove the old rotor. Let's clean the hub. We can use the wire brush if you don't have one. If you don't have one of those cookie wheel I'm using. Always use safety glasses when doing this. Now we put the new rotor in. We're going to remove the rust protection out of it using brake clean. You can use soap and water also. Now let's remove the old hardware clip in the caliper bracket. If you make sure you have new one when you buy the brake pad and rotors, but sometimes it doesn't come with it. Okay, so now we are putting back our parking brake cable in place to the knuckle. And I'm gonna clean it. Once again, you do not need this tool. You can use the wire brush. You'll do the same thing. And we're gonna grease our slider pin. Good. And the other one. And we're gonna put our hardware back in the caliper bracket. They only go in one way, so make sure you pay attention to the orientation. All right. Let's put our caliper bracket back in. Now we're gonna put the clip on the new pad. They usually come in with the padding rotors when you buy them. Look at the rotation of the old pad and make sure you put them in the right way. So those pads, one of them go on the inside and the other one goes on the outside. You're gonna have to angle it to put it back on the caliper bracket itself. And make sure you read on the instruction on the brake pad itself too. They'll tell you which way it goes, if it's left or right. You see, outer. Do the same thing on the other side though. Now we're gonna compress our caliper. We're gonna rewind back the parking brake. I'll put the link in the comment section below for that tool that I'm using. On the driver side, you turn the caliper bracket clockwise. On the passenger side, you turn it counterclockwise. Alright, so you put it back in, and that'll be it, guys. And thanks for watching. See you on the next one.